Ngayon, ang newly wedded couple na si Mr. and Mrs. O'Connor!
Hi!
Congratulations,
Thanks,
Sarah.
girl.
Congratulations.
Thank
so,
you.
how does it feel?
I'm so excited. I'm so overwhelmed. I can't believe how happy I am. And I just want to thank everyone who are here. And dito ko talaga nakikita ko sino yung mga nagmamahal sa akin. And I'm really, really grateful and blessed.
Shara, kanina before nung nag-exchange kayo ng vows, medyo naging emotional ka, 'di ba? Bakit? Na you became emotional and then everybody else became emotional na rin dahil sa'yo.
Naging emotional ako kasi feel na feel ko and this is really very meaningful, especially this is a promise that we're making in front of God. So we promise to make God the center of our relationship.
Jojo, ano yung naramdaman mo when you saw Shara walking down the aisle?
I had to pinch myself because parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. So, but I was very excited and very happy. The day's finally here.
Ikaw ba medyo ninervyos ka rin when you were saying your vow a while ago?
Yeah, definitely.
Parang ang damo nga pinamis eh.
Oh,
What are the plans after the wedding?
We're just gonna be back to our normal lives. Pero yun nga, as a married couple na. So we're going to stay first in the hotel and then we'll plan our honeymoon later on.
Wala na munang honeymoon.
Yes.
But are you going to be moving out anytime soon, Sha?
Yes, I'll be living with him.
busy moving actually.
Yes.
This coming week. Yeah.
Right after this. And then, napaalam mo na ba sa mom mo yan?
Yes, of course. Excited na nga ako eh.
And how were things between the two of you a while ago when you were getting ready?
My mom is so emotional, so I really don't want to look at her, especially I don't want to look at her eyes because I know na maiiyak din ako sa kanya. But I could see that right now, she's really happy for me and I'm happy, so she's happy also. So, yun, I'm just so, parang on air ako ngayon. I'm on a high. I can't believe it.
Jojo, of course, everybody, I think the typical thing that people think about every time they get married is, are you going to have kids anytime soon?
We've been talking about it. Soon enough, yeah, we will plan it and siguro not immediately, but soon.
Oo, mag-honeymoon muna kayo.
Yeah. Bahala na si Lord sa amin.
Congratulations to the both of you, Jojo and Shara. They couldn't have picked a better pair to be united today.
Thank you. Thank you, Showbiz Central. We love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And back to you guys.
All right, congratulations, Shara and Jojo. And of course, Pia, thank you so much for being there. Pero also ito, celebration ngayon sa Cebu because they're having a grand street party as part of Sinulog. So, GMA threw the most star-studded celebration sa Sinulog Festival 2010 at syempre sa Grand Parade. Kanina nandun, syempre, sina Chard and The Heart. There you go. And of course, Patrick Garcia, Isabel Oli, Sheena Halili, Rainier Castillo. The whole cast of Full House was there.
Lahat tinodo na ng GMA. Lahat ng mga kapuso stars nandyan sa Sinulog. Pit Senyor.
Andyan din
sa mga taga-Cebu at saka taga-Tondo na rin.
Yan si Alger and Chris of The Last Prince, Joshua and Barbie of First Time, La Diva nandyan din, and of course, GMA Cebu's Ana Maris Igpit and Yuri. And then last night, Miss Regine Velasquez also had a concert. Friday night, yeah. And my whole family was there.
Wow.
The Waterfront. Very successful. At syempre, congrats din sa Cebu's Best Dancers na nagpasikat sa Kapuso Cruise 60 in celebration of GMA's 60th anniversary. So sa mga Cebuano na nanonood ngayon, happy Sinulog sa inyong lahat. Viva Pit Senor. There you go. And happy birthday to Annabel Valdesanzo of Reno, Nevada. And I want to thank the following. Avel Bacudio for my jacket, Ton Lau, Jeff Robles at the Heart Dental Services, Dr. Vicky Bello, and Dr. Vivian Sarabia. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat din. Mamaya mo ng Starstruck
Yes.
Ano yan?
Live na live.
Okay, may yung Final Four at saka Final Four na boys at saka Final Four na girls. Meron silang mini Final Judgment.
Mini Final Judgment. Of course, it all goes down after Cap's Amazing Stories, and that's hosted by Carla and Dennis. So very excited.
Ay, mamaya manood sila ng Show Me the Money. Guest po namin si Mr. Ogie Alcacid at si Bayani at Bayani mismo.
John, isa sa malaking story dito sa industriya this week, no, is this whole Chris Aquino issue, no? Alam ko
and
naman,
she had just spoken, so now
Yes.
it's our turn.
So alam ko naman, John, super ka-close mo si Chris, nakausap mo siya kanina. At ano ba talaga nangyari dyan? Alam mo may mga iba't ibang versions nung confrontation scene. Ano ba
Kasi
sabi ni Chris sa'yo?
ang tanong ng bayan ngayon, Sweet, kung nag-iskandalo ba talaga?
Yeah.
Sumigaw, may mga minura, di umano si Chris Aquino sa loob ng Valle Verde Village.
O, ito prangkahan na.
Okay.
Ako sigurado ako. Inaamin naman ni Chris na punta siya doon. But I'm very sure, hindi po kaibigan ko po si Chris, hindi siya lang iskandalo. Hindi siya ganong klaseng babae.
So sinasabi mo si Chris, pumunta, pero hindi siya yung tipong babae na talaga nagwawala or...
Correct. Kasi alam mo, nakita ko na yan si Chris na magalit.
Paano ba?
Meron isa na siya dating yaya na sa harapan ko mismo, pinagalitan niya. Galit na siya ng todo. Sinabi lang ni Chris, oh my God, galit na ako sa'yo. Last day mo na ngayon. Yun lang sinabi.
Ganun lang.
Todo,
Okay, tingnan.
galit na siya noon, pulang-pula na siya noon.
Sige. Gawin natin
Parang
to.
sweet pa rin, ha?
Oo, so yung nangyari.
Okay, take us back, John. Ano sa palagay mo? Ano bang version sa palagay mo nangyari kahapon? Or hindi kahapon, yung, kailan yun ba?
Hindi ba inamin
Last
naman ni
week
Chris na punta siya doon kasi 2 kalye lang ang pagitan.
Okay.
So most likely, kasi naka-quote yan sa lahat ng dyaryo, maski sa PEP. So most likely, pumunta doon si Chris, lumabas doon yung nanay, di ba?
Oo,
Okay, ito yung quote. I'm sorry to be disturbing you, but I just have to, come here. It makes me uncomfortable that your daughter is calling my husband.
Kasi tinatawagan daw si James.
Ikaw
Knowing
si
Chris, ganito lang yan. I'm sorry to be disturbing you, but I just had to come here. You know, it makes me uncomfortable. It makes me uncomfortable that your daughter is calling my husband.
Ganun lang yun.
Most likely, nilagyan pa niya yun ng nasasad ako. Ganun lang yun.
So, ano yung last
Kung
word
hindi
niya siguro?
iskandalo yun.
Ano
Ito
yung
na lang,
last
sa
word
tingin
niya?
mo,
Na-imagine niyo kung nag-iskandalo si Chris?
Okay, sige. Halimbawa, naging
Masagwa eh. Paano ba yung iskandalo? Oh my God, I'm sorry to be disturbing you. Ay, sad na ako. I just had to come here. It makes me uncomfortable that your daughter is calling my husband. Oh my God. Sa massacre movies lang niya yung ginagawa.
pero in real life, hindi niya ginagawa.
Oo, promise. Seryoso ako dyan.
Sige.
Hindi siya sumisigaw, promise.
What do you think the final words
Bagay,
were?
Ano ba yung final word? Bilang kaibigan, ano ba sa palagay mo sinabi ni Chris yung pinaka-last na word?
Most likely, bye.
Ganun lang. Bye, okay.
Hindi, ito ang sigurado ako. Mamaya ipapakita na natin yung ating coverage tungkol dyan.
Okay.
Lahat ng sulok, lahat ng angulo, inisa-isa po ng Showbiz Central. Pero ang sigurado ako, hindi na o-order sila Chris ng cupcake sa pamilya ni Mayen Austria. Sigurado
Okay,
ako dyan. At sigurado rin po ako na ngayon si Chris at saka si James po ay hiwalay na.
Okay.
Hiwalay na ng tinitirhan.
Okay.
Dahil si James na iwan sa valley, si Chris naman nasa ating niya, kasama yung 2 kids.
Alright, so
para
our,
pinoprotektahan syempre yung mga bata sa kung ano man na pwede pang mangyari.
Yes.
And lilipat na rin naman sila sa valley. So, malapit na silang hindi maging magkapit-bahay.
Okay, so
Bonggang-bongga naman
our
yan.
exclusive investigation about the latest issue with Chris Aquino sa pagbabalik ng Showbiz Central. Stick around.
Oh my God! Mamaya na yan!
Ang pahayag ng babaeng witness sa panunugod daw ni Chris Aquino sa babaeng nalilink sa kanyang asawa.